I was riding on Beverly by myself. I was working at Yummy, no daylight hell. You were coming over once a week, wearing my lap. You held me while I cried for the first time in a long time. Never really good with people or comfort in them. My mom diagnosed, brother crying in his hands. I said, if she died, who gets to keep my cat? Don't know why death would affect me like that.
Say it on the count of three.
I'm gonna say
Okay, really? My intro.
What's your intro?
So you know it. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
It's Vera.
It's Vera.
And
It's Vera.
I'm back.
And I'm back with another video.
And
Comment down below.
something like subscribe on my channel.
And subscribe and hit that bell because that's how YouTube works. Oh yeah.
So this is what's going on. So I have my friend Paula, which is new to my channel. And then my friend Kaylee, which you guys should know if you like my freshman year. 8th grade formal traffic is light. It will take 6 minutes to get to Frost. Oh wow. My calendar is on top of it. In 21 minutes, my 21 minutes. Okay. So we're in the bathroom and my camera is hanging really weirdly upside down. Wait, Paula, can you take a picture of that and send it to me? So I did my hair to like little, whatchamacallit, a little ponytail. And I put a reapplied mascara in. Be right back, I'm gonna go put my dress on. Oh, there's a spider up there though. But it's friendly, it's a daddy long
Are you actually deaf? No, that isn't lying. You're lying.
It's on fire.
Oh my god, why'd you kill it?
Because
Vera.
no, because spiders actually show creativity. It doesn't hurt me. No,
Actually, don't kill me.
Give me
I can't even see it, so.
it's right there.
Yeah. Her mean villain.
Oh no, it's still alive.
Oh my god, where?
Right there. We say positive things in the camera about Vera, and then she'll watch it later.
Hey guys, Vera's the best. She's really beautiful. A great YouTuber too. And everything else.
Okay, that scared me because I thought I was gonna hit my ankle.
Check that. Well, me, not you. You were fine.
so you.
Yeah. Me, not you. That's pretty.
Know why death would affect me like that, but it did. Yes, my mom still lives, but my cast gone where my childhood is, where my innocence lives on the pretty street 30 minutes from where I sleep. But I miss my bunk bed and the sunsets and the old friends and the dead ends, even when I didn't have a reason to smile, but I still did love songs. Songs like this, yeah.
How was the night?
It was fun. There was some drama, but it was fun.
Yeah. So we got kicked out of the school because yeah. Vera, update us.
Frog face piece of shit.
We had a very eventful night.
Está bien.
Ew! Thanks, man.